How to activate your Capital One debit card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can activate Capital One debit card online. For this, you want to launch open any web browser and head over to capitalone.com. Then tap on the sign in option. Now you will have to enter your username over here. Then enter your password and tap on the sign in option. If the details entered by you are correct, you will be successfully signed into your account. After you have been logged into your account, you want to choose the account linked to your debit card. Now look for the button to activate your card near the debit card tracker. Select Activate My Card and follow the steps shown. You may be asked to set a PIN to complete the activation process. You want to slide in order to activate, then enter the expiration date of the card. Now you will have to create your PIN. After that, verify your PIN. Now you want to slide in order to activate your card. After completing all of these steps, your debit card will be successfully activated online. Once it has been activated, you will receive a confirmation via SMS or email. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.